What's up guys, today we're going to be reacting to Stray Kids' Thunderous SKZOO version performance video teaser. I'm so excited to see them back. Last time we saw them perform God's Menu, which was very adorable, and I love them so much, so let's go. 3, 2, 1. I love it. They're so cute. Love this song.
Sorry, I'm dirty.
So good. They're so cute. I honestly love that we get to see them perform once again, and I love that Stray Kids always are doing whatever they want to do. They are themselves every single time, and they show some new concepts, new things. They use any negative energy and turn it into positivity, and they turn it into something that really makes them work even harder, which is what I love and what I admire so much. So next time I see you, we are going to listen to the entire album. I'm so excited for NOEASY. Hope you are too, and I will see you soon. Están súper adorables, me encantan. La última vez que los vimos fue cantando y bailando God's Menu. Estoy muy feliz de que volvamos a verlos cantar en esos outfits. Me encanta que siempre hacen lo que ellos quieren, o sea, no les da miedo tratar cosas nuevas y hacer cosas a su estilo. Estamos a nada de escucharlo, así que nos vemos pronto ya para reaccionar a todo el álbum completo.